Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado LTZ dual cab ute, stock reference number 5750. The shape runs from the 7th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door has one small dent, factory fitted sports bar with all bolts and brackets, left hand LED tail light, tidy rear bumper bar, factory tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand LED tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 4 small dents, right front door has 2 small dents, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, leather center console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heating control, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.